Have you ever wondered why we're often advised to avoid certain foods before hitting the hay? It's intriguing how our bedtime snacks can influence our sleep cycle. Indeed, science has much to reveal about this. Well, it turns out what you eat before bedtime can significantly impact your sleep quality and overall health. Choosing what to eat before bed can be a real challenge. You're probably familiar with that late-night craving, but not all snacks are created equal, especially when it's time to hit the hay. Eating certain foods before you sleep can lead to a world of discomfort and restlessness. Some might cause indigestion, heartburn, or even nightmares. Yes, you heard right, what you eat can influence your dreams. And let's not forget those that might keep you tossing and turning due to high levels of energy-boosting sugars or caffeine. It's a tricky business indeed. But why is this the case? Our bodies, while resting, are still active. Digestion continues, heart rate fluctuates, and our brains process the day. Some foods, however, can disrupt these nocturnal rhythms, leading to poor sleep quality. So it's not just about what makes you feel full, it's about what won't disrupt your much-needed rest. So why does this happen? Let's delve into the science behind it. Some foods can disrupt your sleep due to their high sugar content. Consuming sugar before bed causes a spike in blood sugar levels, which can lead to energy bursts and subsequent crashes, making it harder to fall asleep. Next, consider caffeine. It's a stimulant that blocks sleep-inducing chemicals in the brain and increases adrenaline production. This can keep you awake long into the night, disrupting your natural sleep cycle. Finally, heavy, fatty foods. These take a long time to digest. Eating them before bed means your body is working hard to process them when it should be resting. This not only can cause discomfort, but can also lead to poor quality sleep. All these foods interfere with the body's natural sleep cycle, hindering the deep, restorative sleep we need to function optimally. That's why it's crucial to be mindful of our pre-bedtime eating habits. Now, here are the top 5 foods you should never eat before bed. First up, chocolate. It's not just a sugar issue. Many chocolates contain caffeine, which can disrupt your sleep. Next, pizza. The high fat content in most pizzas can trigger heartburn and indigestion. Moving on to ice cream. Its high sugar and fat content can lead to spikes in blood sugar, making it harder for you to fall asleep. Fourth, energy drinks. It's a no-brainer, right? The caffeine and sugar in these drinks will keep you awake for hours. Lastly, spicy foods. They may be tasty, but they can cause indigestion and heartburn, making it difficult for you to get a good night's rest. Avoiding these foods before bed can make a significant difference in your sleep quality. Remember, good sleep is an essential part of maintaining overall health. Tune into your body and give it what it needs for a restful night. So, why is it so important to avoid these foods before bed? Well, the right bedtime snack can improve sleep quality and contribute to overall health. Avoiding disruptive foods ensures that your body can rest, repair, and rejuvenate. Remember, a good night's sleep is a key component of a healthy lifestyle. Now, we'd love to hear from you. Ever had a late-night snack that kept you up? Or discovered a food that aids in a good night's sleep? Share your experiences in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe for more health-related content. Sleep well and stay healthy.